Once you made, once you made, once you made, once you made. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a productive Sunday vlog. So if you're new to my channel, totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm just editing my video in Final Cut. This is my other vlog. I'm still editing it, and yeah, so I still have a little bit ways to go. But after this, I'm gonna try to, get dressed. Even though we're not going anywhere, I'm still try to get dressed anyways, take some pictures, maybe film some more videos. And yeah, so I'm just filming or editing this video. And I got my Starbucks coffee that I bought from the store. Not actual, well, it is actual Starbucks coffee, but it's a white chocolate mocha. I like to buy the big bottles from the grocery store because they last longer and they're cheaper. So yeah, that's what my Sunday's looking like right now, and I'll see you back when I'm doing something else. But anyways, it is 4:28. I was gonna vlog today, but I really don't feel like it. I've been trying so hard to get up out the bed. My bed isn't even made up yet. I've just been laying in bed watching YouTube all day because I do not want to look at the news. So that's what my day is going like. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I might play Animal Crossing, and maybe later I might try to do some of my bullet journal because I don't know what, it's the 29th. I don't know how many days are in March. Is it 31? I don't know. It is 31 days in March, so I have literally 2 more days. Okay, so I think I'm gonna journal in my bullet journal because I think it's important to document everything that's going on right now, and read it in the future, hopefully. I mean, I've always had a bullet journal. I have the scribbles that matter, and I have a couple of pages in here. I bought a new one. I actually bought a Archer and Olive one, and I haven't used that one yet. I think that was going to be for something else. So this was the most dedicated one that I really did, which was my September one. And I had the calendar set up real nice. Had a workout tracker, which I can't do now because there's nowhere to work out. And I like the way I set up my dates. So yeah, that was really the last one that I really did great, and all of them are just trash. So I'm gonna actually try to put some effort into this one. I might film it, I might not. I might film other lettering videos. Oh wow, I did a March one and forgot I did it, and look how pretty I actually I drew those plants and I didn't even like fill out nothing. Like, wow, now I feel bad. Like, all I did was this and then the calendar, and that's it, nothing else. So that was a fail. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna look on Pinterest and see what I'm going to do.
Straight pillow, but this is my new pregnancy pillow for, you know, sleep.
Okay, so I'm back. It's been a little bit of time, you know, it's nighttime. And yeah, so ask me what I've been doing for the past few hours. I ate. And that's it. Like, I got distracted with TikTok. Like, I didn't make any TikToks today because I honestly didn't feel like it. But I have been watching a lot of videos, which is also distracting. But yeah, I still haven't did my bullet journal. Like, I haven't even did nothing. I thought I heard a gunshot. But anyways, I haven't even did nothing like productive today. I'm saying this is a productive vlog. Like, I really want to do my nails because I haven't did my nails in ages, and that didn't happen. So I literally just set up my tripod for my phone, but literally I bought this camera. So like, what is that? And my phone doesn't even have any space, and everything on here is pretty important, so I don't want to delete that. It's a lot. But that man got a trash bag over his head. Oh, he saw the, oh, okay, I don't know why I like to do that in my mouth, but I really don't want to go to work tomorrow. I say this all the time, but like it's gonna change something. You see how distracted I get? But anyways, I'm sorry, I was just looking at this picture of me. Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, let me stop. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna get to doing this bullet journal. I've been talking for 4 minutes and 21 seconds of nonsense. What I thought was going to be a productive day, but it wasn't. So yeah, and then I gotta go to work for like 9 hours tomorrow. Y'all don't know how stressful this is for me. Like, it's literally terrifying going to work because you don't know who you're going to be around and if they got the, you know what I'm talking about. I don't trust nobody at my job with this virus stuff. I really don't. So I'm gonna try my best to just stay away from people. Like, I'm gonna try to like hide when I finish my work, of course, and just stay away from people because I do not want to bring that junk home. But anyways, back on topic. I'm gonna do something, and yeah, I'll see you later.
My favorite thing right now, I got a extra fine point Post-it paint pen marker, but it is in the
Okay, so I just put my hair in a ponytail and it's getting real late. I honestly had to stop because I don't know if you can see it, but what had happened was I was trying to get this ink to come out of this pen. So myself thinking that, oh, maybe it's dried up, I unscrewed this and I thought it was dried up. So I'm so dumb. I literally poured it and it got all over my sheet. All over it. I only use one because I need to ration these. I can't be just using these like that, okay? I can't. So there's like paint like all over my sheet. You can see that. Look at that. So now I have to buy a new sheet. I mean, I always needed one before, so this just gave me like an excuse to just get another one. So yeah, we're going to end this vlog right here. I did finish my bullet journal. I find that I'm doing all the weekly spreads because if I don't do them now, then I'll never do them. So I just finish everything at once. So this is the cover. It just says April has a lot of cute flowers because you know April flowers bring May showers, honey. And then I got the you know calendar. Do some more cute flowers. Oh yeah, and it also got all over my hand, so like yeah, it's not good. Okay. And then I would have did like a habit tracker and all of that stuff, but like I'm tired. It's 11:26. I didn't even know it was that late. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. It was somewhat productive, but I hope you enjoyed. I try to film more of these and actually be doing something, you know. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video.